Have you ever been to the aisle at the home center that has 4 million options for caulking and been like, what's the difference or what do I need for my project? Well, in the build show today, I'm gonna tell you why these 7 are the only 7 you need. From Sashco HQ, let's get going. Hey Build Show fans, sorry to interrupt, but today's video is sponsored by us, Build Show Live. That's right, if you don't know, we're on our 3rd year doing a trade show. This is a live in-person event in San Antonio, Texas, September 10th through 12th. You've got to be there. We're gonna have like 20 of our Build Show Network contributors there. It's fantastic education. This is a trade show by contractors for contractors. Totally unlike the big show that they have that has 1 million people and has all kinds of garbage stuff there. This is a show that you want to come to because you're gonna get great education, because the manufacturers that present there are people that have been on the build show and understand what you are looking for. You're gonna get specific answers to your questions, great education, and of course, you're gonna meet some peers in the industry that you can contact, that you can develop your network. So when you have an issue that comes up, you can call your buddy in the next city over or 5 states away and say, hey, what would you do in this situation? BuildShowLive.com for tickets. I'll see you in September in San Antonio, Texas. All right, friends, let me introduce you to Nate, the head nerd around here. Nate has a chemistry background, and he helped me understand their products, because I believe that in this desktop here, you can do everything you need to in your entire build, inside or out. You can forget the competition. Now, Nate, the way you explain it to me, and I really like this, I'm kind of going off of my own here a little bit, is these 2 products are kind of the king and the queen of the lineup. Big Stretch, which is a water-based product, kind of, these are versions of Big Stretch. That's right. And Lexel, which is not water-based, has its own kind of siblings as well. Talk to me about the difference between the chemistry in these 2 products and where we might use them.
Sure. So Big Stretch being water-based, you're going to have a more traditional application, right? Soap and water cleanup, easy to tool this way, right? Or with just a little spritz of water. Most folks will be used to using a product like Big Stretch, which extends to its whole family.
So let me interrupt you real quick by telling these guys, I've used Big Stretch for 2 decades now, long before I had any build show even. I started using this. I love it. I've used it for 20 years. It's amazing. All of the caulk and paint in my houses starts with the painter having a few cases of Big Stretch and caulking everything. This isn't just a crown molded caulking. Any woodwork in my houses that's gonna get painted, we use Big Stretch on it.
Yep.
Okay, so then next up is Lexel. Now this is a very different product.
It is. So this is a solvent-based product. The resin inside we call a copolymer rubber. And it really is like rubber when it's dried, when it's cured out, right? And so there's a lot of differences between how they perform. Specifically, Lexel will give you larger ranges to apply the product, right? You could put this on. In fact, we've had folks use the cousin product through the roof on RVs in the middle of a downpour, right? Because they're out and they had a case of this in the truck.
And there was a leak.
And it sealed, right? It worked. And you can use it below freezing. It also sticks tenaciously to tough surfaces, right?
Like, for instance, concrete.
Absolutely.
Glass.
You got it.
What are some other tough surfaces out there?
So anything that's a little dirty, now we always recommend that you clean the surface, right? But Lexel is super forgiving. The solvent in there will basically eat through any oil or grease on the surface and basically dissolve it so that this is very forgiving for surfaces like that. Very cool.
Now, the first time I saw this product, I thought, oh, it's silicone in a can. It's clear, right? But this is very different than silicone that we may have used on the job site. Silicone's kind of a pain to use, number one, because we can't put new silicone over where there was old silicone. Nothing sticks to it. But this also has a bunch of other advantages. Will you run through those? And you actually have some tests for me too, don't you?
I do. I have a few props. Silicone, you can't paint, right? You can't repair it. But also, silicone isn't really designed to move, okay?
So this is a silicone that you put down on a release paper.
That's right. So this is just a little strip of silicone, right? And you can see I can stretch it a bit, but there's a limit to how much movement this will take, right? When we think about our houses, they move as temperature changes, things expand and contract. If I take Lexel, and I could take any of our products.
Whoa, look at that stretch.
It's
Holy
a little
cow.
different.
A lot more elongation.
Right? A whole lot more. And what's cool about this is, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not really struggling to stretch this either. It's actually relaxed, right? It's like 4 times its initial length.
That's pretty crazy.
And it's relaxed versus if I do the silicone, you can see I'm,
oh, you broke it.
Broke it. I got another piece here, right?
It's hard to stretch like that.
I'm working to hold it here.
Yeah.
Right?
Gotcha.
Here's another way that we can look at performance. So that was movement capability. On this test, we're actually looking at the adhesion of the products, right? And so I have a bunch of different caulkings on 2 different substrates. I have wood and I have a plexiglass here, okay? And we put a wire screen in the caulking just to give us something to literally pull on to test the adhesion.
So you probably put a bead of the caulk down, we embed that in the wire mesh, then we put some more on, and now it's dried and we're gonna do a pull test on it.
That's right.
And what are all these different flavors we've got here?
Well, that would be telling, wouldn't it?
Oh, okay.
I think I wanna ask you what you think after I pull on it.
Okay, let's do it.
So let's get it started. So I'm gonna pull basically perpendicular here.
Ooh, it's hard to pull.
Right, so this one took me a second, but now I can get it going and I can kind of zipper it out.
And we're also stuck to the substrate really well. This is a piece of white oak, it looks like, maybe.
Yeah, and so watch for differences, right? Okay. There might not be that big of a difference here. I'm actually having to pull a little harder on this one, and that's kind of cool.
Wow, we broke the screen. Holy cow. Metal screen, no doubt.
We'll try the black here.
Oh.
So same thing. We got 2. That's okay.
Holy cow.
So broke both screens.
Dang.
Right? Now, check out the difference here.
That came off fairly easily.
See a difference?
Yeah.
That one.
You weren't struggling to pull that one off.
That one is silicone. Okay.
Interesting. Very low adhesion.
Yes. I mean, it didn't take much to get that off there.
This one, you're working hard. I can tell by your forearm.
Yeah. I'm guessing you
can cut yourself on that screen.
I'm guessing you can guess what this one is. This is Lexel. And it's not going anywhere.
So that is this right here, and it's stuck real well. That's pretty awesome.
Now let's make it harder, shall we? So wood, pretty easy to stick to, right?
What were these 3, by the way?
So this was Big Stretch.
Big Stretch, okay.
This one is actually Through the Roof.
Okay.
And this one was actually a competitive product.
Oh, really?
We do try that. So this one was pretty good.
Yeah.
Now, if we did this test on the competitive product, it wouldn't have done so good, right? So it is how the 3 work together. But yeah, actually this product from an adhesion standpoint was quite nice on the wood there.
Okay, so now plexiglass, this is a tough surface to stick to.
Exactly. So we'll do the same thing. I think I'll be able to make most things fail here. So the Big Stretch, easily. Right?
The latex-based one is not doing very well.
Yes, and this is part of why.
Yeah, that one also.
Pretty easy to pull off, right?
Now this is Through the Roof though, because we learned that easier. That's sticking a little better, but still pulls off fairly easily.
Still pretty easy. Now, this is the silicone. You can see it wasn't even on there. Right?
It came off like nothing.
Okay.
That did not stick.
Here's Lexel.
Holy cow, dude. You're going to break that screen again.
Yeah.
Wow.
There it goes. Can you see why? Okay, this one actually got started a little easier. I don't want to poke my hand there.
It stuck pretty well, but you were able to get it off.
That is the difference between water-based and solvent-based technology, right? A copolymer rubber that really is wicking in and eating and biting into that surface versus something like a Big Stretch, which is totally fine on the substrates we want people to use it on, but maybe struggles a little bit more on something like this.
That's fascinating. Let's just review real quick. These 2 are solvent-based. This is an incredible product for your roof. It's called Through the Roof. They make it in a bunch of flavors. They make it in black as well. Lexel is just a clear product, correct? Is all we make it in?
And it also comes in white.
Oh, we make a white too, okay. Hey guys, quick interruption on the video. I want to mention, by the way, Sashco has a pro sample kit offer for you if you're a professional builder, a general contractor, a remodeler, a painter, a plumber, anybody who's in the business. They're going to send you a kit with basically one of everything on the table here, so you can try a full-size sample. This is a really big deal. This is like $70 or $80 worth of product they're going to ship you, and then you can try it yourself, because they know that once a pro like me tries it, like I did 20 years ago, you're going to buy from them, and then you're going to be a lifetime customer. So I'll have a link in the description below for your pro kit. You should definitely order that. Let's get back to the video. Now, different than silicone, this can be painted. So for instance, if you use this exterior, you had a window that you were doing a window replacement job and you're using Lexel on the outside, you could paint that later. So this is a little different than silicone that you can't paint later. What are some other uses for Lexel?
Anything that's tough to stick to, like tile and glass, Lexel is going to be the best.
That makes sense.
We talked about it earlier today, right? Using it for air sealing around the foundation for the sill plate.
That's a detail I like to do on my house, is where I'll put a bead of this down right on top of the concrete, and then my sill sealer will go down. That's that inexpensive capillary break. Then I'll put another bead of this on top of the sill sealer before my bottom plate, my pressure treater goes on. And that's gonna help seal for both air and bugs around the entire outside of the house. That's a great detail to use. And because Lexel sticks really well to concrete and really well to wood, that's a perfect location to do that. So almost every house, I have a couple of cases of Lexel there when I start framing.
And the polyethylene foam, right? That's
and the polyethylene foam, which is hard to stick to.
It is.
That's right. Now let's run through the family of Big Stretch. Big Stretch, one of the nice things you guys do is you provide a sample card that has all the actual colors. You have like a dozen or more colors.
You got it. 12 colors plus a clear.
Okay, oh, there you go. And I actually have used the clear before. It's not crystal clear, but it's very clear. And that's a great product. I actually used that on the outside of my house where I had some pre-stained windows that I was caulking to some pre-painted hardy. And that works great in the Big Stretch clear version. But I've used this a ton. This is really, for me, the gateway drug into all these other amazing products. But basically, these are derivatives of or share similar chemistry to Big Stretch, because Moreflex is also water-based, but I think of it as like a sanded version of Big Stretch. So at my house, I use this where my brick met my siding. You've got a masonry joint. The masonry and the siding are going to move differentially. I wanted a flexible joint there. This looks like mortar or stucco when it's dried. They've got several different colors. This is a great product.
Yeah, it saves you a ton of time on repair jobs too.
For sure. Now, a kitchen and bath caulking that we think of in, like, you know, recaulking a shower area. You guys have this very specific product that has some interesting chemistry, or I should say an interesting trick built into the latex. What is that?
Yeah, so this product is just specifically designed for gross bathrooms, right?
Perfect.
If you have a gross bathroom where stuff is maybe growing or changing colors, if you try to solve the problem just by putting a traditional kitchen and bath product on there, guess what? It's going to get gross again, right? All kitchen and bath products have something in it that's designed to kill mold, okay? This has that same stuff. They still mold, right? This product has an extra special ingredient in it that's designed to break down organic food sources that mold feed on, and basically turns those oils into a soap.
How about that?
So you don't get any food for the mold, so you don't get any mold.
Very cool. And by the way, don't ever caulk your bathroom tile to tile with silicone, because it is a nightmare to replace it someday. It's so hard to get it off and to recaulk that. This is a fantastic product for your bathroom showers specifically. Next up, this one's a little bit of a niche use case, Slab. Basically, this is, again, a sanded version of Big Stretch, but this is intended to look like concrete. So if you've got cracks in your driveway, if you've got expansion and contraction joints that you want to fill, this is a cool product. Anything I'm missing on this that you want to mention?
You got it. I tell people, if you see weeds popping out of your concrete cracks. It's great for that, and it helps prevent further damage, right?
Yeah.
Because maybe not in Texas, but in Colorado, we get freeze-thaw cycles, right? So it rains, water goes down in there, then it gets cold, and guess what? Your concrete starts doing this, and it pushes away. Yeah. This protects the joint, keeps water from getting in there, so you don't get it pushing away.
Makes a lot of sense. Now, Exact Color, this is a wild product that the first time I used it, I was blown away. Basically, this is a custom kit. So you could take a manufacturer's version of Big Stretch, and you kind of finish the process with your Exact Color. So what they're going to give you is a syringe that will suck up either the paint that you used on the job or the stain that you used on the job. And you insert that syringe into this uncured version of Big Stretch, shake it up, add a hardener, shake that up, and now you have a custom colored tube of caulk that's specific to your job. We did a demo on it with like a burnt orange for the Longhorns and
I saw that.
And a Texas A&M, and it was crazy how perfect it worked. But this also works with stains as well. So if you have stained cabinets, you could actually use this with some of your stain from the job to get that exact color. Now, you're not going to typically want to make 20 tubes of this, right? This is going to be a problem solver with a couple of tubes. But man, that's really cool that if you don't have the color that you need in the 12 options here, you can custom make it.
Yeah, totally. I will caution folks that just like water-based paint dries down a little bit different in color, when you're first putting this on, it might look slightly off, but it'll dry darker, and it'll be a perfect match when it's done drying.
Great point. Nate, I started the video by saying these are the 7 you need for really every project in your house, and I stand by that. You guys, you can buy these at almost any location these days. When I first started buying Big Stretch 20 years ago, I had to find it at a specialty hardware store called Breed & Company in Austin. That's the only place they've sold it. And this company has grown a ton over the last 20 years. Now you can get it at all the big home centers. You can get it at your paint supply store. But what's cool is that this company that I've been working with for 20 years is actually now 90 years old. We just came from the 90th anniversary party.
That's right.
Still owned by the original family that started the company. And how many employees do you have here in Denver making your product?
About 130.
That's pretty awesome. We got a tour of the factory today, right here outside of Denver. We're in the North Denver area. Guys, this is an incredible company. All these products are top notch. They are a little bit more expensive than some products on the market. They're actually less than some, but I can tell you, I've never been disappointed with these. These are incredible products. And by the way, they have great people like Nate who would actually take your phone call if you had a question. So if you've got a product application question, how can people get a hold of you guys, Nate?
Probably the easiest way is there's a phone number on the back of all of these tubes.
There you go.
That calls into our customer service department, which is here.
In Colorado.
And they sit about 25 feet away from me.
How about that?
And
That's awesome.
If they get a question that they can't answer, which is rare because they're so well trained, I'm not too far away.
1-800-767-5656, right at the bottom of each tube.
That's right.
I'm really happy with our long-term partnership with these guys. Not a sponsored video today, guys, but full disclosure, for about the last 7 or 8 years, Sashco has sponsored a lot of great free content on the Build Show, and they make fabulous products. Like I mentioned, I'm a 20-year veteran of using all their products. Thank you, Nate, for the big tour, brother.
Our pleasure.
Go follow these guys on social media. Find their products everywhere. Follow us on Facebook or Instagram. Will you end the video with me? Otherwise, we'll see you next time on the Build Show.